Yes, your very own video. What do you have to say to the people? Come on. This is your introduction video. Come on. Wah. Wah.
Leave me the hell alone. Get that camera on my goddamn face. I'll scratch you.
I'll punch you.
I'll scratch your eyes out. Come here. Come closer so I can scratch your eyes out. Alright, a little closer.
You gotta take me on my good
Closer,
side.
and I'm gonna bite the crap out of you. Ma! Ma! Come get me! Okay, Gandor. Mommy will come get you. Step up, boo-boo. Step up. They bothering you? Step up. Come on. You can come with me. Come on, boo-boo. If you don't come with me, you're going to be subject. I tried to warn you. I tried to warn you, boo-boo. Come on. Step up. Come with mommy. Run, baby. Run. Run. Say, I got my mommy. I got my mommy. So get that crap out of my face. Get that shit out of my face before I bite your goddamn hand.
Bye, Gandor. You got a little claw and a paw? Gandor's a smart bird, right? He's like, dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Good boy. Ooh, you almost fell. You trying to get the iPod, huh? Think you're all smart and you're all cool. Try to get the iPod. No. 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 It looks like he has little wings.
They came up, they were with him through the storm.
Ah, Padania Faliciro Mamba Sequo.